IL for indeterminate beam, direct method is generally applicable. Mueller-Breslau principle can give the result, but can give the only shape. It will not give the value. It will not give the value. Why it will not give the value? Let me. So, if this is our beam, this is a top cantilever. If IL for reaction at point B and bending moment at point C is required. So, at point B, according to Mueller-Breslau principle, what I have to do? We have to make this as 0. We have to make at this as 0, and after this, what will be the next step? Displacement, right? So when we will give the unit displacement, okay, we have provided the unit displacement, but this is what? It is fixed. It is fixed, and it is a stable structure. It is fixed and it is a stable structure. Then what will happen? What will happen? If a rod is keel koi gadi hai, if a certain hook is there, okay, if we are enforcing, if we are applying the vertical force, then what will happen? It will bend. It will bend. Same type of thing will be there. Therefore, it will not have this straight line. It will have this curved shape. It will have the curved shape. What will the value of ordinate? It will depend upon the calculation. It will depend upon the calculation. Therefore, IL for this, simply it has curve and value of ordinate. Value of ordinate, say it is y1, y2, y3, y3, y4. So Mueller-Breslau principle will give only the shape. Mueller-Breslau principle will give only the shape. It will not give that value y1, y2, y3, y4, y and so on. At particular interval, how it will be completed? When we know that value of ordinate. Okay, if we know the value of this horizontal distance and that ordinate, if we know this horizontal distance at particular distance, what is the ordinate? If we know that, then its graph will be completed. Clear to everybody? Similarly, if we are plotting the IL for bending moment at point C, so we will have to make equals to 0. Clear? Now you can consider it two part. You can consider this as two part, part 1, part 2. Look at part number 1, segment 1 type of structure. It is a cantilever. First one part will be cantilever, connected with this also, connected with this. So when you will apply this type of thing, then shape will not be, it will not displace in linear form. It will not displace in linear form. Rigid body motion will not be there. Rigid body motion will not be there. If I have this simply supported beam, and if I want to, if it is required to plot the bending moment at point C, I am just comparing this one and this one. Get you everybody? This one value MC equals to 0. After providing this, what is the value of static indeterminacy? What is static indeterminacy? It is 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1, means unstable. Therefore, when we provide this type of displacement, it will go like rigid body movement. That I want to tell you. Why it is linear? Why its shape is linear? Because this one part 1 and part 2. This one part 1 and this part 2. Both will have part 1 and part 2 will deform as a rigid body motion. Rigid body motion means just movement of the vehicle, car. है ना? Start. है ना? By pressing movement of car, it is like rigid body motion. Force from the engine. Okay. But here, since it is value of static indeterminacy here, ds is equal to how much? ds equals to how much? It is 0, and it is stable structure. It is stable structure. If you will provide the rotation, then it will not go like this, because its motion will be किस तरीके होगा? It will have in this manner, theta equals to 1. Okay, why this part ABC, why AC part has been rotated in this manner? Because है भी यहाँ पे, hinge है यहाँ पे, rotation is there, rotation can be there, here can be there, but here since it is fixed cannot be there. Okay, if we are providing unintentionally, forcefully, if we are providing, then it will have, this part will have this shape, and this part will have this one, and this one. It will not be straight, it will be curved. Both will have, क्या है ये? Both will have curve. Get everybody? And change of rotation, it will be theta equals to 1. This theta equals to 1. Okay, यहाँ पे ऐसे, it will have this type of thing. It will have, this will have this type of thing. Rotation, curvature will be there, and change of rotation, theta equals to 1 will be that. If I am comparing from that. Clear to everybody? Clear to everybody? So therefore, I want to tell you that indeterminate type of, if we are plotting IL for indeterminate beam, then its shape will not have the linear. It will have the curve type of shape. It will have the curve type of shape. In last class, we have plotted the IL, and all the shape are in linear. All the shape of IL was the linear. Straight line was there. But in indeterminate beam, ordinate of IL will not be straight line. It will not be straight line. And Mueller-Bruslow principle can give only the shape, will give only the shape. Ordinate cannot be possible. Get it, everybody? If I have this it is not separate, it is connected like this. Internal hinge means keel is here. This is ऐसा free नहीं है. It is not separated. Right now, it is not exactly separated. It is connected. So, some effort of this cantilever part will be transferred to here, na? If this part has curve, then this will also have the curve. Clear? So, if I have another. Pardon? नहीं समझ नहीं पाया प्लीज. नहीं वो तो कंबाइन होगा ना. नहीं वैसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. इफ आई हैव दिस कंटिन्यूअस बीम, if I have this continuous beam A, B, C, and listen carefully, and IL for RA or RB or RC is required. IL for RA, RB or RC is required. Clear to everybody? Then according to Mueller-Breslau principle, what I have to do? First of all, for RA, I have to remove this. This is RA, this is RB, this is RC. For RA, I have to remove this. Then I will have this overhang part. After removing this, I will have that overhang part. Clear? And now it has the static independency. How much? 0. Okay? Static independency 0. If unit displacement will be provided, at point A, if unit displacement will be provided, then it will not move in as a rigid body, this part. So here it will have this one. If unit displacement has to be provided, then it will not be straight line, it will be parabolic curve. Clear to everybody? It will have curve. Unit displacement will be there, no problem. Will be there, but it will have that way. किसमें? इनके केस में तो ये सीधी लाइन में रहती थी, कभी नहीं होता. वो सपोर्ट पे है, वो सपोर्ट नहीं नीचे बैंड में है, बीसी में होता है. वो सपोर्ट पे है तो किसी बार होता है. द डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगा बीसी में. That type of thing I have explained from here. Long keel है ना, लंबी कील को अगर हम यहाँ पे ये जैसे इफ दिस इज अ कील है, इसको क्या करूं मैं, इसको पकड़ के लटक जाऊं मैं, व्हाट विल बी दैट, व्हाट विल बी द डिफ्लेक्टेड शेप, इट विल डिफ्लेक्ट, ओके, इट विल, क्लियर हो या नहीं हुआ, इट विल डिफ्लेक्ट इन द सेम मैनर। इसको मैं जबरदस्ती उठाऊंगा, इफ आई विल पुश, जबरदस्ती मैं इसको उठा रहा हूं, जबरदस्ती क्या होगा ये, इट विल गो डाउन, क्लियर एवरीबॉडी, दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग विल बी देयर, दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग विल बी देयर, it will have the curve. Similarly, so it is the IL for RA. If RB के लिए, if I want to plot IL for RB, अच्छा listen, it is not the complete IL, it is not the complete IL, when it will be complete, when we have the value of ordinate at different interval, when this is 1 no problem, if it is y1, if it is y2, if it is y3, if it is y3, y4, if the ordinate are known, if the ordinate are known to us, then that plot will be completed, then the plot will be completed, clear. For RB, if we want to plot the IL for RB, what will be its shape, that I want to discuss. So its released shape, B will be now free, B will be now free, clear to everybody, and at point B we have to provide unit displacement, okay, we have to provide unit displacement since the value of static indeterminacy ds is 0, okay, so which type of shape we will have, curve type of shape we will have, curve type of shape in this manner, we will have curve type of shape. If the value of ordinate at different interval is known to us, if it is y1, y2, y3, here it is 1 in between, y4, clear to everybody, it will be the shape, clear. Similarly RC, it उल्टा कर दे, clear to everybody. Similarly, if another point is this here, C point is D point is this, if the D point is this, and we want to plot the bending moment at this point D also, IL for bending moment at point D also, at point D also, then what I will do, I have to provide internal hinge, I have to provide internal hinge here for value MC equals to MD equals to 0, MD equals to 0. If moment at point D, IL for moment at point D is required, then what will be the shape that I want to discuss, that I want to know. Okay, we have to provide internal hinge here according to Mueller-Wurtz law. We have to provide the internal hinge, and after providing the internal hinge, since Now it has the static indeterminacy ds equals to 0. It has two parts, part 1, this one part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is supported under 2 columns. Okay, and if we are enforcing the displacement at that point, then what we will have? We will get the curved shape. We will get the curved shape. If we are enforcing the rotation at here, then we will get the curved shape in the same manner like as a long scale inserted in the wall, and if we are trying to pull down, in the same manner it will have the curved shape. So if I am giving this type of thing, we will get this type of thing, we will get, and value of theta equals to 1. It will be the unit. It will be the unit displacement at here. It will be the I alpha bending moment at point D. I alpha bending moment at point D. Clear to everybody? I alpha bending moment at point D. When it will be completed? Ordinate. At different interval. At different interval. If these ordinates are known to us, get you everybody? Therefore, Mueller-Breslau principle in itself is not able to give all the things. It will give only the shape. It will give only the shape. If you want to know the ordinate, then we must choose the which one method? Direct method. Okay, and direct method is also very simple because we know the consistent deformation method. Everybody have learned very much in a very confident manner consistent deformation method, and with that help I will tell what will be the value of ordinate. What will be the value of ordinate for this one? किसके लिए है? I alpha RB. This is I alpha MC. This is I alpha RA RB. I will tell you. The next, what I want to tell you the value of the ordinate. What will be the value of ordinate? That I want to tell you next. In my next discussion, I want to tell you the value of ordinate using direct method. Clear to everybody? First of all, I will take that example. Then I will switch over to that. So, if roller na, if it is consider this case. What I am going to tell you. I am going to tell you how you will calculate the ordinate. Clear? That should be very much clear. What we are going to study, what we are going to learn. If this is our case, then and we are interested to find the ordinate for RA. If we are interested to find for ordinate for RA. So since its static indeterminacy equals to 1, okay, this is RB. If unit load is acting at x distance, if unit load is acting, if unit load is acting at a distance x from this, if we are able to find that value, if we are able to find the value, and after plantation of that value, what we will get? After getting the value of RB in terms of x, by putting that unit load, and after plantation of that function of RB, what we will get? Definitely we will get the IL. If compare this, this point is A, this point is B. If unit load is this, that value RB, it is how much? S by L. If we are plotting, if we want to plot, if we want to have the plot the value of IL for RB, क्या किया था हमने? इसी को तो प्लॉट किया था, RB is equal to S by L. ये तो किया था मैंने, क्या डू रे बड़ी? और प्लॉट किया था, कैसा प्लॉट किया था? What was the step? At x is equal to 0. 0 here. It is equal to 1 and it has that shape. Because it has the linear. Because it has the linear. So, on comparing to that, on comparison with that, we have to find the value of RB in terms of x. We have to find the value of RB in terms of x. If we are able to find the value of RB in terms of x, then by putting the value, different value, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 meter, 2 meter, yeah, 1.5 meter, 2.5 meter, we are able to get the ordinate. We are getting the, we can get the value of this ordinate. Therefore, that equation you have to find. What is the equation of that curve? That we have to find. And after putting the value of x, if I have, if it is like x square plus 2x plus 5, like this. So the value of ordinate, if this is the value of ordinate, y equals to this, then what will be the ordinate? By how ordinate can be calculated? By putting the value of simply x. So we will do this type of method, this type of thing. How it will be completed? Because it has the static indeterminacy of 1. Therefore, it can be solved using consistent deformation method. We have to solve it by consistent deformation method, taking RB as redundant x. Taking RB as redundant x. Now what I want to tell you? I want to tell you how to find that value RB. How we can find the value of RB when unit load is at point x distance. But unit load is at a distance x from that A. Get you everybody? That I want to calculate. And that can be calculated using consistent deformation method, very simple. Okay, so in consistent deformation method, what is the step? We take the number of redundant as equals to ds. If since it is value of ds equals to 1, therefore it must have at least one redundant, and I will take the redundant. I will take those redundant for what IL is being required. Okay, since IL is being required for RB, therefore I will take redundant value, redundant as RB. Clear? So after removing that, the beam, whatever we get, that is called as primary or released beam. It is called as primary or released beam. So what will be its primary beam? Its primary beam will have this cantilever with load. So this is the released. This is the released beam. Clear to everybody? It is the release beam. And what type of deflections are required? We have calculated the deflection under the redundant. If this value is delta. Okay, so that figure, that structure, that given structure is the summation. We know very well that this is the summation of this one related structure plus remove the load, this external load, and apply x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So this is the summation of this plus if I am applying RB equals to minus RB equals to 1. Here I am applying unit load. Listen carefully. Here I had applied unit load. कहां से? Downward direction. Therefore, the direction of RB, whatever we will get, that will be of कौन सा? Downward, negative. That's why I have taken here RB equals to minus. Okay? Minus RB equals to 1. So it will have the deflected shape, and that value is represented by del. If this is B, so it will be del BB. That was our notation. Clear to everybody? And after having this at point B, at the point of redundant, we can apply the compatibility equation. At point B, we can apply the compatibility equation. So compatibility equation at point B. Compatibility equation at B. What we will have? Delta plus del BB into minus RB equal to 0. Clear to everybody? So compatibility equation at point D. So compatibility equation at B, we will have del plus minus RB into del BB equals to 0. Therefore, value of RB will be del by. Clear to everybody? Clear to everybody? Since this is the primary structure, this is the related structure, this is the determinate structure, then the calculation of delta is not a big problem. Calculation of delta is not a big problem. We can calculate. We can use either Macaulay method or conjugate beam method, or by the method recommended जो हमने बताया आपको, graphical method. You can apply, you can find the value of delta, you can find the value of deflection. For that, you can also find the value of deflection. You can also find out the value of displacement, because this is also determinate. Because this is also determinate. Clear to everybody? So this is the value of RB. This is the value of RB. कोई प्रॉब्लम यहां तक? अब मैं इसमें now I am adding one more thing. To make the simplicity, to generalize the things for this one. केवल एक चीज बताऊंगा मैं, and from that conclusion every value will be calculated. Expression will be developed. What I am going to tell, I am going to tell the expression. In next class we will calculate that both values. In next class we will calculate both values, and after calculating both values we can the plot. Clear? So now what I want to add one more thing. And this is, if this is the unit load, Okay, it is a deflection at the point B, and you know the Maxwell's reciprocal theorem. You know Maxwell's reciprocal theorem? Do you know Maxwell's reciprocal theorem? What is Maxwell's reciprocal theorem? If we replace the point of load, point of action of load and displacement, then there will not be any problem. Means point of action of load and displacement can be replaced. Clear to everybody? This is the Maxwell's reciprocal theorem. So applying to that Maxwell's reciprocal theorem, unit load is acting here. It is at a x distance. From A. Okay, this distance is this is x distance, and we are getting the displacement at point B in this question. What is there? Unit load is here. If the unit load is here, सभी ध्यान से देखें यहाँ पे. If the unit load is here, then deflection under that load, what will be the value of that? What will be the value of that? That will be delta. Clear to everybody? That value will be delta. And what is that value? It is at a x distance from A. 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 Therefore, the conclusion, what I want to draw, apply unit load यहाँ पे. Now concentrate on that figure, on that structure. Unit load, apply the unit load, and delta value is at a x distance from A. If it is written by delta x, then that value will be delta x by del BB. Clear to everybody? Now I am going to generalize. Now I can generalize to have the expression. How I can do that? Very simple. I am going here. What we are doing? We are just trying to find the value, to find the ordinate for RA. ये करना चाह रहे हैं? We are just trying to find the ordinate for RA. So RA is here. RB is this. So we have to make this figure. We have to make this figure. और कैसे बनेगा ये? कैसे बनेगा? It can be made after having released structure, remove the and apply the point load. और point load कहाँ पे? Apply the point load where the IL is to be plotted, means here. Clear to everybody? Apply this, and value of RB will be ratio of this one, displacement at any distance x, delta x divided by this, delta x divided by this one. This is the general. यही तो है, delta x by del BB. Now I can generalize this for moment also. I can generalize this here also. How? Just look here. It is for RA na? It is IL for RA. Okay? So which type of figure I need? On comparison to that. अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं इससे, बड़ा जिसको तो इस केस में IL for RA, which type of beam I have to consider? We have to consider for this case, okay, for this case, मैं फिर से for this case, no, this is now, this is RA, RB, RC. If ordinate ये for RA, which type of beam I need to consider? Since it has the static DS value is how much? Only one. Therefore, one redundant is there. Okay, and we will take the redundant for what it is being required. Clear to everybody? So we will remove this. So it is our क्या है? Release beam. It is our release beam. It is our release beam. Clear to everybody? There should not be any problem to make that. Okay. If I am ये for RA, similarly for RB, अगर RB के लिए करें, okay. If I am making for RB, then which type of structure we need? Which one way? Okay, इसको remove कर देंगे. Then we will have that released structure. Okay, this one A point and B point. Yes, C point. Clear to everybody now? This is the release case in here. Clear to everybody? According to that, similarly. This one, हमें कंसंट्रेट करना है. This one, this is the base. We have to apply the unit load. We have to apply unit load. कहाँ पे? जहाँ पे ये, means यहाँ पे. We have to apply unit load here. Okay? We have to apply the unit load here. And whatever is the deflected shape, it will have the deflected shape like this. And the value, this is, ये क्या है? इसे क्या बोला मैंने? It is del A. Del A. Ready everybody? And at any point, this is what? Delta x. It is what? Delta x. Okay. So for that part, so value of RB will be what? Value of RA will be what? RA will be delta x by. Ready everybody? Similarly here, where unit load will be there. ये point B है ना? This point B, unit load will be here. Unit load will be here. Ready everybody? And its deflected shape will have this shape. So this value will be del BB, and at any point क्या होगा ये? It will be delta x. It will be delta at any point. Get everybody? Now what will be the ordinate? How I can represent that ordinate? Del x by. Get everybody? Get everybody? It is simple na? What I have to? What are our steps? What are our steps? First of all, find out the release structure. Find out the release structure. And we will take the redundant. And we will take that redundant for what IL is to be plotted. For what IL is to be required. We will take that redundant. After removing that, our next step is apply the unit load at the point where redundant is there. Where redundant is there. And the value of ordinate value will be the ratio of deflection. किसका किसका? At any point x, this one divided by under the load, point load. This is okay. If this is there, movement is there, is it applicable? The same thing is applicable here. That I want to tell you. That is for reaction. Okay. Is it possible? Is it the same thing for here also? That I want to explain next. Clear? It is also applicable for that. It will also be applicable for shear force. For any type of thing can be applicable. How? That I want to show you. If this is point A, point B, point C. Point A, point B, point C. And this. So क्या करना है हमें? We have to make the release structure. Listen carefully. The next step is, first step is make released beam. First step is this, make released beam. These are the steps. How to find the ordinate? Number one, make the released beam. It was simple here. Simple क्या? हमेशा से करते आ रहे हैं. That's why here. कैसे release beam बनाओगे बताओ? How you will make the release beam? Internal, of course. Either redundant type of thing will not be there. Okay. So here we will apply नहीं MD ना, कहीं पे नहीं, केवल इसी पॉइंट पे MD इक्वल्स टू क्लियर. Make release beam. Okay, not 0. Apply. It is equals to 1. Apply equals to 1. Okay. या ऐसा करें हम, just make MD equals to 0. Second step is apply unit displacement. Apply unit displacement. कहां पे? At the point where IL is to be required. Where IL is to be required. This is the next step. So after having this released beam, डिस्प्ले क्या करेंगे हम? यही तो लगाएंगे यहां पे. We will apply the displacement in the same manner as is being released. Okay? यहां पे हम यूनिट लोड नहीं लगाएंगे, यूनिट मोमेंट लगाएंगे. Here we will apply the unit moment. Okay? We will apply the unit moment. Now, since it is determinate, ds equals to 0, then we can have the deflected shape. We can have the deflected shape. They are supported at both joint. So its deflected shape will have this value, and